Now we're going to take a look at the GitHub repository where you can find files and information that will help you using JavaScript on your u-blox module. So this is the name of the repository, u-blox Nina B3 JavaScript, and up here you can see the actual web address. And the way this repository is organized is that you have this starting page and then you select branch based on the software version on your module. Right now we only have one branch, so we select that. And then we see that we get some more files here. We have examples and library files that you need for running JavaScript on your u-blox module. And if we briefly look at these, we'll start with the examples. We see that we have 4 examples here and a couple of supporting files for these examples. We have the BLE proximity example, which will use the LED on your u-blox EVK to indicate that a beacon whose address you have specified is nearby. And we have the BLE wake up example, which will let you turn on and off the UART on your module by sending commands from another device attached over an SPS stream. We have the GPIO GAT example, which will let you control the LEDs on your u-blox EVK by writing to a GAT characteristic from another device. And finally, we have the I2C GAT example, which reads the temperature value on a temperature sensor attached to I2C and sends these temperature values on an SPS stream that you can receive on another device. This temperature sensor is located on an embed shield that you need to attach to a u-blox EVK. If we go back here and we'll briefly look at the libraries also, and we'll see that we have a number of libraries where some are related to pure Bluetooth functionality like GAP and GAT. We have a couple of libraries related to the u-blox stream concept, like the gateway and stream library. And then we have some other libraries supporting other functionality that you can use in your JavaScript, like controlling GPIOs, setting timers, etc. If we go back to the start, we'll see that we also have some documentation for these libraries available here on GitHub. So for each library, we have a short introductory text, and then we have a link to the actual API documentation. And for each API call, we have a short description, and then we document what kind of return value you have from this API call, if any, and then what parameters you need to provide to the API call and what they mean. And then we go back here, and finally what we also have here is a link to a JavaScript application note available on the u-blox homepage. This application note will basically assist you in setting up your JavaScript environment and running the examples that we have seen here today. So I recommend reading that to help you get started with JavaScript development. So I hope you've enjoyed this and wish you good luck with your JavaScript development. Thank you very much.